Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we'll be trying the skin1004 Tea Trica Relief Ampule. This product retails for $24. I feel like it's taken me a long time to try out this product, and it actually took skin1004 sending me this product to fully commit to trying it. They did not ask me to do a full long form review. They just asked me to do one piece of short form content. But as always with all of my reviews, that will not impact anything and my honesty with this product. I am personally excited as someone who is acne prone to try it out and see how it performs for my skin. Skin1004's Madagascar Centella collection has worked amazing for my skin with soothing it, balancing it, and also calming down a lot of redness and acne that I have had over the years. Their Madagascar Centella ampule has been a staple for me. That's why it's looking like this is that blended with some tea tree and some amazing balancing ingredients. So let's see how it performs in comparison to the other products. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The reason I didn't say it was fragrance-free is they do use tea tree oil in here. Some people may be sensitive to that. If you do have a sensitivity to fragrance, just be mindful. I'm personally able to tolerate it, but that may cause sensitivity if you are prone to it. The highlight ingredients include tea tree leaf water, centella, and evening primrose flower extract. To check out the full ingredients, you can click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include how does this product feel, what results do I notice with it, and what benefits do I notice with it in terms of acne and also oil production. A little bit more combination to dry right now, but my T-zone still gets pretty oily. So I will just be seeing how this product performs. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in. Also my first impression with this product. I'm dealing with a little bit of acne over here. Even though my skin has been drier, I have been dealing with just a little bit of oil production in my T-zone just because the weather is so all over the place. I am very combo even in any season. I just get a little bit more dry during the winter. The cold weather hasn't set in completely yet. I'm excited to see the texture of this product and see if it's as lightweight as the Centella ampule. Super light. Definitely can see this being more intended for oily skin. Doesn't leave any texture on the skin whatsoever, but you can see it gives a little bit of instant nourishment. I'm excited to see if it dries down or if it is a little bit richer of a product. I know with their Centella serum that was basically Centella diluted with water, it was very much skin oil feeling. This feels a little bit more heavy. Not terribly heavy though. It's very lightweight. I would definitely recommend going in with this closer to your cleansing step. What I love about a lot of the Centella ampules that I've tried, which I guess I've only tried their Probiotica and the Centella ampule, but you can add these products as a booster. This is a little bit more of a complex, but you can add it as a booster to any serum, any moisturizer, if you're wanting the benefits of tea tree. It does give a little bit of an instant glow, so I'm excited to see if the results translate into it being more designed for oily skin. Tea tree for me has been something that's shown more results over time with reducing oil production. So I'm excited to see if I notice those benefits instantly or what I notice. I know right now it feels a little bit more moisturizing going on the face, but it is drying down very fast. Doesn't leave too heavy of a finish. I'm excited to see what I notice with this formula. I'm glad that I actually have an ability to put it to the test. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I love it because it's a more lightweight way to treat acne, balance oil production, and also soothe the skin like the skin1004 Madagascar Centella collection is known for. This product takes the Madagascar Centella ampule that I am a big fan of and adds some more purifying and acne treating ingredients. I love the original Centella ampule for its ability to soothe redness and be very lightweight. I found this had the same lightweight ability with the addition of treating some acne and helping some oil production. I do feel like this is is more of a summertime skincare product for me. Not that I didn't see any benefits and that I can't use it in any other season. I will see the maximum benefits in the summer just because I am more oily during that time. But what I like about it is it's a really lightweight way to treat acne. And it's a great simple ingredient list that I feel like was effective and checked off all of the boxes that I look for in a simple, more gentle acne treatment. It doesn't utilize any active ingredient like an AHA, a BHA, or an azelaic acid, and could be a more moisturizing way to treat acne if you do have sensitive skin. Tea tree has been a wonderful ingredient not only for my acne but also my oil production, and mixing that with Centella in this formula made it a potent yet very gentle blend to treat acne, to treat redness, to soothe my acne, and also take some of the redness out of my zits. I was dealing with a lot of breakouts during this trial, and I noticed that when using this consistently, I found that I could use it twice a day every day because it was so gentle. I was able to use this in pair with some skincare actives to help treat my acne and maximize the benefits that I saw with both this and my actives combined. It was a really gentle yet potent formula that I felt like would be effective for redness, for acne, especially if you have more oily skin. Not that dry skin wouldn't benefit from this. I just feel like it is mostly designed to balance the skin when you are dealing with a lot of excess oil production. It's been a little bit colder when I first tried it, but I did wait until it got warmer until I finished up my thoughts on this review, because I get more oily whenever I am outside in the heat. And it got up in the 70s when I was using this product, which is crazy for this time of year, but I was able to put this product to the test with oil production, and I felt like it was balancing that in a time where I would get more oily. As the temperature rose, I noticed that this product was helping to counteract some of my oil production in my T-zone and being the perfect balancing product for combination skin. So I feel like oily to combination skin will find it most beneficial. What I like about tea tree is it's not too drying for my drier areas, but it is balancing my oilier areas where I felt like it was helping to counteract some of that excess oil production. I felt like this was a really simple, effective approach at both combating acne, soothing redness, and also balancing oil production. So if those are any skin concerns that you have, I would recommend trying out this product. I feel like mostly oily to combination skin will find the best benefits out of it, but if you struggle with acne with dry skin, this could also be a very lightweight soothing approach. Doesn't really have much of a texture, similar to the original Centella ampoule. Kind of just feels like a simple facial oil without the oily or heavy film that facial oils can leave. So I do feel like this is a really lightweight layerable serum. You can add this to a moisturizer, you can add this to your favorite hydration serum. It's layerable. It's kind of like a booster style product that I feel like would be beneficial for any skin type. You can really control what level of nourishment and what level of benefit you see with it depending on what products you layer with it. I found that I liked this both in my winter routine as a lightweight acne treatment, and I feel like in my summer routine and when I used this when the weather was warmer, I enjoyed it in a more lightweight cleanser, this product, than a gel cream step. I would recommend going in with this product pretty close to your cleansing step because it is so lightweight, but I love the versatility. I love the controllability that you get with this product in how you can use it and what you get out of it. I feel like it is a beautiful product. One of my favorites from skin1004 because I am a fan of the Centella ampoule just as a soothing layering product. Well, this takes that same approach but adds tea tree for a level of balancing and oil production along with acne treatment. So I feel like it is really beneficial at that, and I would 100% recommend trying it. Spoke to my personal skin concerns. I found I was able to use it with Differin gel, azelaic acid. All of it meshed really well to create a beautiful skincare routine that's been helping my skin recently, and I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.